youngster.
Here we go. Hopefully y'all can see that, but I will link it below as well. It's the it's a deep wave 5x5 HD lace closure, 100% virgin human hair, 180% density. It has 4.3 stars with 997 reviews, so it's pretty good. I just should have got something longer, and the one I got was a 24-inch. It was $115. The 26-inch was $155, 28 $179, 32 $105, 32-inch $235, and then the longest they have is a 34-inch is $250. So even with that, it was so good, but I was trying to like stay under budget for like prepping for this trip and getting new things, and because I didn't really buy too many new things, I am like repurposing a lot of like outfits and just like not trying to, you know, 2022, I'm not trying to spend a lot of money. But anywho, on things I don't need. But anywho, so this is the wig. This is like the lace and stuff. It's a very small lace, so I don't have anything to worry about. So I don't have to worry about the size, which is good. But I love how I can still have my deep part right here. It has like some baby hairs already pulled out. So I'm still going to bleach the knots just a little bit, like literally just a little bit. I'll probably leave it on for like maybe 10-20 minutes. But overall, this looks so good. This looks really good. The hair itself, not as thick as I want it to be, but I'm thinking like maybe when I wash it, let it air dry, obviously it'll get bigger. But the wig came, obviously, you know, sometimes it comes with lashes, but one thing I do like that I've never gotten in like a little wig pack is this, where you hold down like the lace. They got this little headband that came with it, and it's really good, so I love that. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is where the hair comes from. And this is the bag right here. So that's that. And then I love this. So then you have a wig cap and some lashes. Let's see how this wig looks from just, you know, first glance. I don't like this. But I mean, it was $115. The hair, it looks like there's no hair here. Like, it looks very like yeah, it looks very thin. But we're gonna work with what we got because I don't have too much time, and it's not bad, it's really not. I just don't like the ends. But like I said, once I brush it out some more and wash it, hopefully it gets a little more thicker. And I just want the curl to hold up, not even the hold up, I just want like the texture and how it feels to hold up. I don't want it to get like knot and tangled. I hate that. But yeah, we'll see. So let's get this started. Please be joking. Do y'all hear that? The freaking alarm, fire alarm took it off. And I'm dyeing my wig. Oh my gosh. So it's a lot of false alarms here, so I'm hoping that that's what this is. Let's just keep going. Alarm is still on. Nothing has happened, but I have all this done. It's just like real quick. I'm not gonna worry about the parts that's showing because I don't want it to see through, because I didn't do it as thick as I should have. But I'm gonna let this sit for like 8 more minutes, maybe 10, and then we're good. So I am about to put this wig on my head. As you can see, look, like this side here is so much shorter than this side. Look at that, basically. So that is not cute. Which means I have to cut it. But when I put it in the middle, it's gonna look even worse. As you can see, this is the long, this is the short. So the hair, it's giving suspect at this point. But we gonna stick with it. Granted, it was only $100. So we gonna see what we can finesse with this hair. But yeah, I'm gonna have to shape my face a lot on this side. I like to wear my parts on my right side, but as you can see, I have to shape it a lot. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I'm not going to put a cap up under here because I just don't like how it feels. I mean, I could, but I don't know. This is the spray that I use to spread the lace. I'm gonna use this to spread the lace, but I don't know. I'm not really, I mean, it's not tangled. It feels nice. It is dry because I need to moisturize it, but I don't know how I feel about it. Especially seeing this, it looks really bad, and you can still see how thin it is. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this side. I'm not going to cut this side just yet. Well, you know what? Let's see. There we go. So this is the hair. So then well, as you can see, it's already becoming a big difference already for me shaping it compared to this. So this is the finished look of the wig. It did not take me long at all to put it on. The lace looks really good. Overall, I would probably give this a 7 out of 10. And I gave it a 7 because what I don't like that companies do is they always put the lace itself a way shorter length than the actual hair, well, the bundles that they say would be in like on the wig. So as the description says, let me go to the actual post or listing of this wig. Okay, so this is the wig. I did show it in my previous clip. I feel like they went up on the price, so I have to go back. Well, you'll see the price I said and the length I said in the previous clip. I just can't remember because now it's not showing any of these for $115, but this is the exact link I got it from. Like I said, I don't like that the lace, the hair that's on the lace is significantly shorter than the actual hair, so I did have to cut a lot of it on the sides to frame my face this way, because first it was like you could see this part and then it was length down here, but I tried to frame it. I mean, I think I did a decent job framing my face. It is nice curly hair. I was looking in the mirror, it is big, so I do like big curly hair, but like I said, I don't really like how the hair on the lace and the actual bundles were two different lengths. Outside of that, it didn't have any smell. The texture, when I initially opened it out of the pack, it was good. The shipping was very much fast. I got it in exactly 2 days, and I was able to bleach the knots, wash, condition, air dry it, and it was still completely fine. Obviously this is just put on my head, so I didn't have any time to, you know, go out, but I will be going out of the country actually in a few days, and I will be somewhere hot, so we'll see how this holds up in terms of the curl pattern, not the lace, because if the lace like doesn't stick on my head, that's more so on my end, but I want to see how it holds up in like the water, me washing it while I'm on vacation and all that good stuff. But overall, like I said, I will give it a 7 out of 10 just because of the length. I just prefer, I wanted it to be all the same length, so then I can, I don't know, I didn't want it to be like so framed, because usually I do wear my curly hair like big and framed around my face, but I kind of wanted something to be like this long, the same length, but because it wasn't, when it came, I had to cut it. So that's that. So yeah, I mean the lace, I think I did a good job on that. It could be better, but I think I did a good job. So yeah, that's really it. Let me turn around so y'all can see how thick, well, how it looks now. Before, you could tell like it was like 18 maybe this part, and then maybe like I think I got a 24, 26, I don't know which length, but you can tell the length difference. So let me turn around to the back so y'all can see. So that is that. So overall, it is a good wig. It is getting like, it gets really big, but I do have mousse, so hopefully the mousse allows it to stay like tame it just a little bit more. But overall, it's cool. But yeah, if you want to check it out, I will have all the details below. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.